Hi everybody, Paul here. For years I dealt with tangled and twisted extension cords, but not anymore. Let me show you what I found to be by far the best and easiest way to store extension cords. This is called a cord wheel, and I absolutely love this thing. It's fast, efficient, lightweight, and you can put over 100 feet of extension cord on it. Let me show you how it works. Take the female end of the extension cord and fasten it to the cord wheel. While holding the inside handle with one hand, start cranking the outside handle with your other hand. I found the best and easiest way to load the extension cord onto the cord wheel is just stand still while you crank the handle and let the extension cord come to you. This loads it onto the cord wheel the most efficiently so that it's not too tight or too loose. Now you can just carry it with the crank handle and store it in the upright position, which takes up the least amount of storage room. It also stays in place and won't roll because the bottom of the cord reel is flat. Now when you need your extension cord, just plug it in, hold the inside handle, and remove however much you need. In this example, I need the entire extension cord, so I'll remove it completely off the cord reel. In this example, I put the cord wheel right on my workbench because I only needed a few feet. Now I can plug my work tools into the extension cord while most of the extension cord is still on the cord wheel. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.